sure can read. I wish I knew something to keep my man out of the street. I dressed him up from his hat down to his shoes. Lord, I dressed him up from his hat down to his shoes. That man gets drunk, for me he'll abuse. Now the nights are growing long, and I hum a lonesome song. Sad alone I wring my hands, I weep, sigh, and moan. It's just because my man drove me from his home. He put strong locks on his door, and it made my poor heart sore. I was waiting for some